In this video, you'll learn how to add recipients in Mailchimp effectively. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully imported contacts into your Mailchimp audience, allowing for better email marketing management. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. To do this, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp logo and options for signing in or creating an account. If you already have an account, proceed to sign in using your credentials. After signing in, you will be directed to the Mailchimp dashboard. Look for the Audience tab located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Audience will take you to your Audience Manage area where you can view and manage your existing contacts. Next, within the Audience section, locate and click on the Add Contacts button. This option is typically found near the top right of the audience overview page. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Import Contacts to proceed with adding new recipients. Once you select Import Contacts, you will be taken to a new screen that provides various import options. Click on the Upload a File option. This will allow you to upload a file containing the recipients you want to add. Ensure that your file is formatted correctly, preferably as a CSV. After selecting Upload a File, you will see a prompt to click on Continue. Doing this will advance you to the next step where you can select the file you wish to upload. It is important to ensure that your file size is manageable, as larger files may take longer to upload, especially with slower internet connections. At this point, click on the Select a File button. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse your computer for the appropriate CSV file containing your contacts. Choose the relevant file and confirm your selection. After selecting the CSV file, click on Continue to proceed. Mailchimp will begin processing your file, which may take a moment depending on the file size. You will see a loading indicator while the system processes your upload. Following the upload, you may need to wait a brief period for Mailchimp to complete the import process. During this time, you will see a message indicating that the system is working on your request. Patience is necessary, particularly if you are importing a large number of contacts. Once the upload is complete, you will be prompted to organize your contacts. Click on the Organize Your Contacts option to manage how your new contacts will be categorized within your audience. This step is essential for maintaining an organized email list. A message will appear reminding you of the benefits of keeping all your contacts in one audience. This is important for personalizing your marketing efforts and managing your data efficiently. Click Continue to move past the organization step. This will lead you to additional options for finalizing your import. Follow the prompts as they appear on your screen. You will be required to click Continue multiple times to finalize the import process. This step ensures that all settings and configurations are correctly applied. Each confirmation will lead you closer to completing the imports. Eventually, you will reach the Finalize Import stage. Click on this option to confirm that you are ready to complete the import process. This action will finalize the addition of your contacts to your audience. Finally, click on Complete Import. This will finalize the import of your contacts into Mailchimp. After this step, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your contacts have been successfully imported. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.